Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a few things I want to share with you for my preparation for Christmas. Picked up a few things. Let me just get right into it. Okay, so I went to, where did I go? I went to Homegoods and I grabbed this towel. It's really cute. I wanted to add some red to my Christmas theme this year, so I like that. I got these really cute picks. These are from Ross. I got them in like a pearl, this pearl color, and this one has a little bit of gold in it. This one is a red. I did want to go with some red, so these picks, I got 3 different ones. And these are from Ross. Found these flameless candles and they were from Amazon, and they are the really short ones. And it is a set of 6. So I did get a total of 6, but they are really short. They're like maybe, what, 3-4 inches? Also at Ross I found these. Now, I don't like flimsy, fragile decor. This one has a little bit of weight to it. I only end up getting 2. I got the medium and the small. And I liked it because it has this little red going around the top and some gold. So that's going to go with the theme that I'm going for. I found these and I love them because I wanted the ones that were faceless like this. Okay, they're faceless. And they have some gold on it. You see some gold on the hands, on the arms, some gold on the arms, and some on the drum. So got these 2 at HomeGoods and I totally love them. Oh, I did get the medium and the smaller one. I got these hydrangeas from Marshalls, and they have some, if you look closely, you'll see that they have some gold specks on them, and the leaves have some gold on it as well. If you look behind me, you'll see I have those stems. They are fall stems, but I'm thinking about leaving them and just adding a little something to make it look Christmassy. So I did get these stems, and they are pretty tall, long stems, and I got them from Pottery Barn. I was watching these for a long time, but I ended up getting them. I think they were on sale for like $46. So I ended up getting 3 of them. I only have 1 in that vase right there. So I'm going to add something else to it to make it look a little bit more Christmassy. So stand by for that. Also for Christmas week, I went ahead and let Kennedy pick out our theme, our pajama theme, and she went with the Grinch. So we ended up finding these at Walmart, and they are the Grinch pajamas. These are hers, and I ended up getting 4 of them, 1 for me, 1 for my mom, 1 for my daughter, and 1 for my husband. And surprisingly enough, they had 1 for Peppa. That's why it was so fun getting it. This is what the top looks like. Now, like I said, I let Kennedy pick out the theme this year, so that's what the top look like. So that's our theme, the Grinch. And since she went with the Grinch, when we was at Ross, she ended up seeing this wrapping paper, and it's also Grinched, and she ended up picking this one as well. So I guess we're in the Grinch theme. Those are going to be for her presents. We had to be festive for Peppa too, so we ended up getting her this little doggy sweater, and this one that says Merry Wolfmas. What's up, y'all? Okay, my camera died yesterday, and today's the next day, and we're gonna go ahead and go through some old Christmas decor that I had from last year. Some of them I didn't even open up yet, so let's just get to it, okay? Now I went downstairs to shop my basement, and I found stuff that I didn't even remember. I didn't even remember having, and this is one. So last year I bought this from Target, and it has all the beautiful colors. And guess what? Remember, I don't know if you know, but I was in search of some burgundy velvet ornaments. And guess what, y'all? Guess what? There goes some burgundy velvet ornaments. So I do have some now. And this set comes with green. And this is from Target. This is from last year. I didn't even use them last year. But this is the color scheme going on. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? So, but this is what I was in search of, this burgundy one. And it comes in different sizes. So I think I have four boxes of these. So, yeah. So pretty, and I'm so happy. I didn't even remember having it. Plus I have some Studio McGee ornaments, and I think they're the velvet ones. I just couldn't find it. So this was Shop My Basement, okay? So a couple of months ago, I did get on Hobby Lobby, and I was looking at some of their ornaments because I wanted some more velvet ones. And I did snatch up some of the black ones because my theme colors are going to be black, the burgundy, and probably some tans and browns. So these are the two ceramic Christmas trees from Target last year. I'm going to bring these back out for this year. This Christmas tree, this black one, I got this one at Homegoods last year. I thought the price was still on it, but I'm going to bring these back out as well. I have two of these. So you see where the color theme is going. Black, burgundy, light browns, and tans. And I love these. I have two. This was also a find at Homegoods last year. And it is so pretty. It's glass. And that's how it looks. I like the texture on it. But I have two of these as well. Gonna use these. Some more Christmas trees. I got this one at Target last year. And I do have two of these. So this is what the color scheme is gonna be. So happy I found those burgundy ornaments. Last year I had this. I like the little bow on it, but it's just a small Christmas tree, and I put it on the table or the counter, and I have two of these, and this is going to be part of the Christmas decor this year. And from a floral, I found two of these last year, and it's just a small Christmas tree. I think it's maybe about 3 feet tall, but I usually put these outside on the front in a pot, or because they're indoor outdoor, or I just leave them inside and just have them somewhere. So love this. I have two of these, and this is all from last year, y'all. Every year you don't have to run out there and buy new decor. You just can add a few little more to it. Last thing, I have this wreath, and it's from CB2. And let me move back some, but it is this bronze color, and I do have some picks to this. I have some bronze color picks, but I couldn't find them. There's a lot of stuff in that basement, but I will find them and show it to you. So this, I don't know where I'm going to put this yet, but this is also coming out. I didn't use this last year, but I'm going to use it this year. I also started doing a little bit of decorating like I showed in the previous clip. Yes, I started decorating and putting stuff together, but this weekend I'm really going to get it going and put up the tree and all that good stuff. So this is the beginning of my 2024 Christmas series, Christmas vlog, and I hope you're here for all of it. So my friends, that's it. That's all I have today for Christmas, but I do have so much more to share. This is just the beginning, the preparation, and I wanted to include and let you know that I think I mentioned it in my last video, but I am doing a partnership with two pages curtains. And Peppa, be quiet. Peppa's growling at herself again. And they sent me all these samples, and I boiled it down to 2 different ones. Let me show you the ones. I was thinking about going dark with the curtains. I'm gonna put a clip up here somewhere and show you what my curtains look like now. Stop it. No, 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 no. No. Say hi. Hi. Hi, Papa. Say hi. Hi. Okay, stop it. No, no. So I boiled it down to 2 different ones. No. Okay, this is the one I'm thinking about going with. And I don't know if the camera is picking it up really good. But this is the color. It's called, hold on. It's a gray beige. Now, I don't want to see any gray, but it is a nice beige color, and I'm thinking about going with this one, or, so it's between these 2. This one or this one. This is the gray beige color. Not sure if I'll have my curtains up for Christmas, but fingers crossed I might. If not, I'll have it up for New Year's. But that's it for today, y'all. I'm gonna go shopping in my basement again before the weekend, and we'll start really getting into the Christmas decor. All right, friends, that's it. That's all I have today in reference to the decor that I pulled out the basement. I do have more. But I think this is the overall color theme that I'm going with. I will be doing another video this weekend where we're gonna start putting more stuff together, getting the tree up and all that good stuff. So come back. All right, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.